First Real Robot Part 2. Next Robot Challenge.
Welcome to StoryNanny. Laugh, learn and dream.
Now your challenge. Announced Professor Kronos. The factory floor transformed. 3 stations appeared, each with different design goals. Build a helper machine, he commanded. Any shape that solves a problem will win a Golden Gear trophy. Zara chose to build a sensor explorer, wheelbase, camera mast, finding lost objects, function, search and rescue. Milo built a lifter arm, hydraulic design on base, gripper hand, moving heavy things, function, industrial strength like Unimate. Luna built a delivery helper, wheeled platform, friendly screen face, carrying items to people, function, service and care. Program them to work automatically. Kronos instructed. They coded simple commands: move, stop, sense, lift, deliver. The machines started working. Different forms, different functions, same helping purpose. Time to test. Zara's explorer found the hidden object, sensors working. Milo's lifter raised the heavy block, strength proven. Luna's delivery bot brought items with cheerful efficiency, service with a smile. 3 different shapes, 3 different jobs, all helping humans. Different forms, same goal, helping. Professor Kronos and Devol, together they awarded the Golden Gear to all 3. Functional design wins. The friends said goodbye to Devol. They jumped back through the portal. Look how far we have come, said Zara, from one arm to a family of helpers.
From Unimate to Mars. They don't need to look human to help.
Don't need to look human.
The best shape is the one that works.
Best shape is the one that works.
Professor Kronos smiled. Next time we design the future. What new shapes will help tomorrow?
Subscribe, like,
And share.